Production begins with carefully selected mature green bananas. Only healthy bananas are chosen for premium banana chips. Each heavy banana bunch is harvested by hand. This prevents bruising before transportation. The harvested bananas are grouped for transport. Freshness is maintained from the very first step.
Fresh bananas are loaded with great care. Proper stacking prevents damage during transportation.
The journey from farm to factory begins immediately. Fast transport preserves natural freshness. The fresh bananas arrive at the processing facility. Every delivery is received immediately. The unloading process is fast and organized. Every bunch is handled gently to avoid damage. Quality inspection removes damaged fruit early. Only premium bananas continue.
Reject that one, it's bruised.
Into the bin it goes. Rejected bananas are sent for recycling and compost. The selected bananas continue toward cleaning.
Fresh bananas are thoroughly washed using food-grade sanitizing water. This removes dirt, dust, and field impurities. A final rinse ensures every banana is perfectly clean. Only fresh water remains on the fruit. High-speed air dryers remove excess moisture. Dry bananas are easier to peel efficiently.
The banana stems are trimmed before peeling begins. This improves machine efficiency.
Industrial peeling machines quickly remove the thick green skin. The edible banana remains completely intact.
Every peeled banana is inspected once again. Only flawless bananas continue. Precision slicers produce perfectly even banana slices. Uniform thickness ensures consistent frying. The slices are treated to preserve their natural color. This helps produce bright golden chips. Excess moisture is removed for better frying quality. Proper drying reduces oil absorption. The prepared banana slices enter hot vegetable oil. Now the transformation into crispy banana chips begins. Computer-controlled fryers maintain the perfect frying temperature. Even heating creates a consistent crispy texture.
The crispy chips leave the fryer automatically. Most of the cooking oil drains away immediately.
With high-speed spinning removes excess cooking oil. This creates lighter and crispier banana chips. Cooling stabilizes the crispy texture. The chips are prepared for seasoning.
Fine seasoning is applied with precision. Every chip receives an even coating.
Special seasoning creates multiple flavor varieties. Each batch is mixed for perfect coverage.
Advanced cameras inspect every banana chip. Only premium quality chips continue.
Every package receives the exact weight. Precision weighing reduces product waste. The chips are packed into food-grade bags. Automatic packaging protects freshness. Each packet is sealed to lock in freshness. Production details are printed for complete traceability. Every packet is inspected for perfect sealing and print quality. Only flawless packages continue. Any damaged packet is removed instantly. Only premium quality products move forward. Metal detection guarantees food safety. Each packet passes strict quality standards.
Robotic systems pack the finished products quickly. Every carton is arranged with precision.
Strong carton sealing protects the product during transport. The boxes are now ready for labeling.
Every carton receives a unique barcode. This ensures complete product traceability. Automatic palletizers organize cartons for shipping. Every pallet is stacked with perfect balance. Protective wrapping keeps cartons secure. It prevents shifting during delivery. The finished banana chips are stored in the warehouse. They remain fresh until customer orders arrive. The finished banana chips are now ready for markets around the world. From fresh bananas to crispy snacks, the journey is complete. Every shipment is verified before leaving the factory. Fresh banana chips begin their journey to customers. The finished products arrive at the distribution warehouse. From here, they are sorted for different markets. Each shipment is digitally tracked. This ensures accurate inventory management. Advanced automation sorts every shipment. Each carton is directed to its destination. The products are prepared for local distribution. Every load is secured for safe transport. Thousands of packets travel to stores every day. Efficient logistics keep products fresh. The crispy banana chips reach supermarkets. They are now ready for customers. The finished product is beautifully displayed. Customers can now choose their favorite flavor.
After a long manufacturing journey, the product reaches consumers. Every packet delivers fresh, crispy flavor.
Listen to that crunch.
It's perfect, so fresh.
Every slice is perfectly crisp and evenly cooked. The final product is now ready to enjoy. Perfect frying creates an irresistible crunch. Every bite delivers premium quality. Modern factories produce a wide range of delicious flavors. There's a banana chip for every taste. Advanced automation keeps production running around the clock. Millions of banana chips are produced efficiently every day. From fresh banana farms to modern factories, every step is carefully controlled for quality. Strict hygiene standards protect every batch. Food safety remains the highest priority. Freshly packed banana chips stay crispy for longer. Every packet is sealed for maximum freshness. Millions of packets are prepared for worldwide delivery. Efficient logistics keep products moving every day. One fresh banana begins an incredible journey. It ends as a delicious, crispy snack enjoyed around the world. From the plantation to the production line, every step creates the perfect banana chip. Thanks for watching this amazing factory journey from start to finish.